we're doing a movie night grocery haul. We're going to Menards, and everyone's gonna do the normal sweet, crunchy drink, except for today we're doing it from Menards. I got this idea last time when we went to Horrocks, and someone said we have a lot of those same snacks at Menards, and I thought, why don't we do a movie night from Menards? So that's what we're doing tonight, and we're gonna kick off our Christmas movie season. I'm very excited for the snacks, for the movie, and the family time. So let's see what everyone gets. Okay, this is the first for a grocery haul. Mila is driving us on our way there. Wish me luck. We've arrived. What is waiting for us? Excited?
Yes.
We're starting in the chip aisle because I know we'll get at least one thing from here. Mila's already said she wants something spicy. I'm kind of drawn to all the popcorn here. Lots of yummy versions. Ooh, a 4 cheese mix. That sounds kind of good to me. As a reminder, this is where we got all of our seasonings. We have a ton of that at home. Cracker galore. It's a miracle. The girls got the same thing and they're on sale. $3 a bag. Flaming hot Cool Ranch Doritos. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna go for this. $3.66. That just seems fun and new. Okay, what'd you pick, Maddie?
Butter puff corn.
$2.99. Okay, Kel's going spicy too. What'd you get, buddy? The rolled Dynamita Doritos. They're on sale for $3 too. Look at my kids taking it easy on me. So you never know what you're gonna find at Menards. They have this giant drink aisle. There's lots of meats and snacks and nuts. Lots of different non-pop drinks. So they have like packs, but then they have all the individual ones up here. I wouldn't be surprised if my son comes back here. Lots to choose from. For obvious reasons, we are gonna not let the kids get energy drinks. I am not surprised at all. Elsie's looking at all the sparkling juices. I might get sparkling cider myself, or maybe I'll get sparkling rosé. I'm gonna do this. $3.50. They have, many times they've had these individually, but they don't have individual bottles right now. More of the crunchy area. They have different snack mixes here, kind of nuts mixed with crackers. They have different pretzel items, Chex mixes. I like this area. These are really good for salads, like pumpkin seeds, no salt, honey, smoked jalapeno, edamame, and lots of different dried things, snack mixes. So many yummy, fun things. And then you get into like the old-fashioned candies here. Okay, so what'd you pick for your sweet?
Dark chocolate covered almonds.
Okay, so they're $3.36, but you can get a Menards rebate. Menards gives us 11% back on all that we're buying. Oh, they have these yummy popcorns. They're $5.99. Yum. They also have these popcorns, $5.33. More chips, the TGI Fridays kind. We're here early in the Christmas season, but they have some of their Christmas stuff popping out. Yum. So many yummy things. Obviously this is more bulk candy, but lots to choose from. We always have fun going through the Menards snack aisles. These are basically all the giant sizes of candies. Fun Cadbury. Ooh, raisin and almond bar, yummy. Gummies. This is a frequent flyer in our house. Calypso lemonades are $1.88. What'd you pick, Mila?
Southern peach lemonade.
Yummy. I won't be surprised if we get 1 or 2 more of these. Oh, I'm a little tempted. All of these look yummy.
Is Kiki Australian?
I don't think so. Cal's gonna show us what he got. He got peppermint puffs. They're $4.99. That'll last you for quite a while, won't it, buddy?
Yes.
This has caught my eye. $3.69 sour cherry gummies, and look how many there are. Look who wants to be just like her mommy. She's getting the sour cherries with me. Good pick, girl. Okay, Cal went where me and Elsie were, and he got sparkling red grapes, so that's the third of that. And Matt came back with seltzer mandarin water that was $1.50 about.
Yep.
Mila has a friend with us, and this is what he picked. Strawberry watermelon prime, barbecue lays, and I made him get a dispenser though so he could properly eat them. Good pick, Mila's friend. Elsie's the last one to pick out her candy, but she wants to look at all the candy that's up front, right? Let's see what she can find. So they have all of these bag candies. I'm also a little tempted, and I think Mila is too. We both love these. Kind of want gummies though. Okay, so Elsie ended up getting the cherry sours. Good pick, Els. Okay, Mila's making a change. She's getting Mountain Dew Live Wire, bringing me back to my college days instead of her lemonade. Matt's also making a checkout switcheroo. He's getting Mountain Dew Zero. Here it is. Here's everything that we've got. Any guess on our total before we get to the movie? At home, I'll show you everyone with their items, minus Mila's friend. Okay, so my total was $58.30, but we will get $6.36 back in a rebate. Not bad for a night of fun. And everyone cheers. Woo-hoo! We're home, and these are Cal's picks. Okay, here's my Elsie, her snacks. Here's Mila with her picks. You ready for a movie time?
Yes.
Is your friend ready?
Yep.
Okay, here's Maddie Daddy with his picks. And here's what Mom got. Yummy. Guess I was a little thirsty. As you can see, my entire family enjoys the grocery shopping fun, looking for new items. And if you want to see another movie night haul we did, you can check out this video right here. Thank you so much for watching. Ciao down and ciao.